Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 GLC 300. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For our wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. We've got a silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Come around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, coming alongside here. This one does come with their Premium 2 package, which comes with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, a burl walnut trim. Hop inside here, we've got heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Let's go ahead and start it up. Navigation, rear view backup camera, including the Premium 2 package, also gives you ambient lighting, dual climate zone, our radio, cup holders, our command centers with our dynamic selects for our different driving styles. This vehicle has 17,803 miles on it, Carfax and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC, check out feldmanimports.com.